original more today. I have this random piece of off-cut, so I flipped the image to maximize this space a little bit. Let's trace it and cut it out. There's a helicopter flying in the neighborhood, so hopefully you can hear me. But I was painting the He-Man and all that concentration. It's a bit tedious, so I'm gonna do something real easy. Sand this down, burn it. I haven't burned anything for quite some time, so we'll do that. And this pollen, look at this thing. Everywhere. So hopefully I won't be sneezing too much later on, but let's sand this down real quick. All right. Now we'll do all the edges. Alright, I think that's it. Proper Slavic squat, heels down. Just gotta wire brush it a little bit, get the suit off, and be good to paint. This just evens out the burn pattern, gets rid of the suit a little bit, because otherwise the paint won't stick. Plus it can give us pretty cool texture too, so let's do that. Give it a quick wipe down. Just make sure it's clean. And so let's see. This needed was a little bit of a dry brush, so we're gonna do that and darken all the edges a little bit, give it some streaks, but not the accidentes type streaks, so let's do that. A little pretentious and artistic today. Lay this thing over the concrete crack since it's all old and beaten looking design, but super easy project. Came out really good. I'm actually happy with the texture of the wood. I wasn't sure how this was gonna look, but looks clean. I like the little streaks. Yeah, not bad at all. Nice and easy. Great success.